What's up, guys? Today I am so excited to be bringing you guys some more information on an awesome product that I have been loving recently, and that is Sugar and Kush's CBD infused sweets. Now, here I have their completely sugar and calorie-free gummy bears, and these are their sweet oil droppers. Now, this one is hazelnut, and it is my favorite for my iced coffee in the morning. The 1 milliliter that the serving size calls for packs so much nutty flavor. It smells so amazing, but the benefits from using CBD are immeasurable. Maybe you're a shuffler and you have a little bit of joint pain after a long night of practicing. Maybe you have a little bit of anxiety about performing around other people. With these products having 0 THC and being so delicious, you honestly really have nothing to lose when it comes to maybe trying to find another solution to everyday roadblocks. I'm going to link you guys to their website because they have so much more than just these products. They have a little bit of everything for somebody who's really looking for an easy way to give this awesome plant from earth a try.